In this series, I'll teach you how to shoot and edit videos step by step using just your phone and CapCut. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Today we are going to focus creating short engaging video. What you need is only your phone. In continue of this lesson, we will create a video for each day. For example, shooting at home. I'm filming a video, a book on a table, trying to keep my hand from shaking. I'm filming several videos. Slow motion mode. I'm living through the book. With the editing process, I can speed up and slow down this video without losing quality. I put the inventory on the table for vertical video. I fix my phone with tripod. You also need to use a tripod or fix the phone beyond your capabilities. I cut the vegetables and put them aside. Between cutting, I wipe the board but do not move it. This is important. I cut all the ingredients. The next step is to set the frame and switch to second level zoom mode. Now I put all the chopped ingredients in the bowl. I remove my hands from the frame between each type of ingredients. Pour oil, stir, and leave the cutlery. In this video, I also did not move the bowl. Now for the fun part, editing. First, open CapCut, create a project, upload a video. I cut and delete all the frames that I don't need, leaving only the most interesting moments. In the video, I lived through the book for a long time. I need to cut this video, leave only fragments and how the book closes. I speed up the first piece and this one too. The results is fast, slow, fast, slowly, the book closes. Ingredients. I enlarge the picture so that the edge of the table is not visible and leave only the very short cutting process. I also enlarge the next video, but do the same while as the previous picture. I made a mistake by recording one process in two files, but this can be easily corrected. The next step is to make the moment when the vegetables are in a bowl without my hands. I add a mask to the video, blur the edge of the mask, move it to the corner, and set a key point. Go to the end of the video and drag the mask up. Now I put another keyframe and enlarge the video. The next video, I also use a mask. Only I select one line, blur it, set a keyframe, go to the end of the video, and drag the mask line. Pay attention to the candle. Since the video is cut, you can see how the fire jumps. What I do is add the original video, overlay it, put it under the video with the ball from the beginning to the end. Add a mask, move the line between the candle and the ball. Now the candle is taken from the whole video. I export this video. I create a new project. Add this video. Speed it up by 1.3 times. Cut in 3 places. I want to speed up the part of the video where the book is filmed from above. Now I add a transition. I choose a pro one. You can choose the free options. I add movement to this video. Here I use the same transition as above. My recommendation: do not use many different types of transition in one video. I add text. Choose from templates and change the text. I add and adjust and add only little light. This video is filmed well enough, but if you have a need, you can work with settings more. Music, I choose from the catalog. I trim at the beginning and the end.